All right. Yeah, go ahead. Hey there, we're back here in our insulated glass department. We're actually shooting a video of how we actually apply the Duralite spacer. Our Duralite spacer is a non-conductive spacer. It has all the ingredients that's needed, the desiccant, the spacer, all encapsulated in one product. It's actually, as compared to the old metal spacers, it's about 95% less conductive. So if our spacer is less conductive, that means our whole insulated glass is going to be more efficient and transfer less heat or cold throughout the process. Let me try it one more time.
What are we looking at to your right?
Okay.
What's that light?
Okay, hang on. Hey, we're back here in our insulated glass department. We're going to give you a behind the scenes look of how we do it. So the first process is actually the glass comes through our washer and it goes over these series of lights. These lights help identify any imperfection or dirty marks on the glass. And she slides it over. First step is to put down our spacer. This is the black spacer that she already has put down. The black spacer is actually the thing that separates the two pieces of glass. We use a Duralite process system because it's more idiot-proof and it has all the components of insulated glass that's needed encapsulated into one unit. It makes it as close to idiot-proof as possible. That's the reason we have such a low failure rate with our glass.
Greg Flores, the gosh darn it guy with Soul Solutions.